Here I have HTC U23 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then you go to the Storage section. So here you can transfer apps, videos, images, documents, games, audios. So let's transfer some images. For example, this one. So what you do is you hold down your finger on it, then you tap on three dots here, select if you want to move it or if you want to copy it. So let's copy. Then select where to. So we go to the SD card, select any folder you want to copy this picture to, could be pictures, tap copy, and now you have this image on your SD card. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.